Atoms are the building blocks of everything around us, and they're incredibly small. In fact, they're so small that we can't see them with the naked eye. To give you an idea of just how small they are, consider this: if you lined up 10 million atoms in a row, they would only be about a centimeter long. But even though atoms are tiny, they're incredibly complex. Each atom is made up of three types of particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus, which is at the center of the atom. The electrons orbit around the nucleus in shells. Now, back to the fact about the number of atoms in a grain of sand. A typical grain of sand contains around 10 to the power of 18 atoms. To put that number in perspective, there are estimated to be 7.5 by 10 to the power of 18 grains of sand on the entire planet. So, in a single grain of sand, there are more atoms than there are grains of sand on the entire planet. This fact is mind-blowing and reminds us of the incredible complexity of the world around us. But it's not the only mind-blowing fact about atoms. Did you know that atoms are mostly empty space? That's right. If you were to magnify an atom to the size of a football field, the nucleus would be about the size of a grain of salt, and the electrons would be flying around in the stands. Another fascinating fact about atoms is that they're constantly in motion. The electrons orbiting around the nucleus are moving at incredible speeds, and they're constantly changing direction. This movement creates an electromagnetic field that surrounds the atom and gives it its shape. Atoms are truly fascinating, and there's so much more to learn about them. For example, did you know that the number of protons in an atom determines what element it is? There are 118 known elements, each with a unique number of protons. Hydrogen, the lightest element, has just one proton, while the heaviest, oxygen, has 118. Another intriguing fact is that atoms can be either stable or unstable. Stable atoms have an equal number of protons and neutrons in their nucleus, while unstable atoms have an imbalance. Unstable atoms are called isotopes, and they can decay over time, releasing energy in the form of radiation. But atoms aren't just important in the world of science. They play a crucial role in our daily lives. For example, atoms make up the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. They're also used to generate energy in nuclear power plants and in medical treatments like radiation therapy. One of the most significant discoveries related to atoms is quantum mechanics, which is the study of the behavior of particles on a subatomic level. This branch of physics has led to many advancements in technology, including the development of transistors, lasers, and even GPS. And while we've learned so much about atoms, there's still so much to discover. Scientists are constantly researching and experimenting to unlock new secrets about the building blocks of our world. Who knows what incredible breakthroughs and discoveries the future holds? So, the next time you're at the beach, take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity of the world around you, even in something as small as a grain of sand. And remember that the tiny building blocks of the world, atoms, are full of fascinating secrets waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.